2025 Yamaha R1, a machine that continues Yamaha's legacy of high-performance supersport motorcycles. The R1 has always been a benchmark for speed, handling, and cutting-edge technology, and the 2025 model is no exception. So, let's take a deep dive into what makes this bike a true masterpiece. Design and aerodynamics. Yamaha has refined the R1's design for 2025, making it even more aggressive and aerodynamic. The front fairing has been reshaped for better airflow, reducing drag while improving high-speed stability. The LED headlights are now slimmer and sharper, giving the bike a futuristic and intimidating look. Yamaha has also enhanced the winglets, providing better downforce for improved cornering grip. Engine and performance. Under the fairings, the 998 cubic centimeters crossplane inline-4 engine has been updated to meet the latest 5 Euro Plus emission standards while maintaining its raw power. Expect over 200 horsepower with a refined power delivery system that ensures maximum acceleration without compromising rideability. Yamaha has also tweaked the ride-by-wire throttle system, making the power delivery smoother and more responsive. Electronics and riding modes. As expected from a top-tier superbike, the 2025 R1 comes packed with advanced electronics. It features a 6-axis IMU, inertial measurement unit, which controls traction control, slide control, wheelie control, and cornering ABS. Yamaha has also introduced an upgraded quickshifter with smoother gear changes, making track riding and spirited road riding even more thrilling. The new TFT display now offers Bluetooth connectivity, allowing riders to customize settings and track performance data in real time. Chassis and handling. Yamaha has worked on weight reduction without compromising strength. The aluminum delta box frame has been revised for better agility, making the bike feel even more planted in corners. The Öhlins semi-active suspension has been further refined, adapting to different riding conditions in real time. Whether you're on the track or a twisty back road, the R1's handling remains razor-sharp. Braking system. To match its breathtaking speed, Yamaha has upgraded the braking system. The Brembo radial-mounted calipers provide exceptional stopping power, paired with 320mm dual front discs and a high-performance rear brake. The new ABS system ensures maximum braking efficiency, even in emergency situations. Exhaust and sound. One of the standout features of the R1 has always been its unique crossplane sound. The 2025 model comes with a redesigned titanium exhaust system, optimizing both performance and acoustics. The deep, growling tone of the R1 remains unmistakable, giving riders an exhilarating auditory experience. Price and availability. The 2025 Yamaha R1 is expected to hit dealerships by the end of the year, with a price tag around $18,000 to $20,000, depending on the market and optional accessories. Yamaha may also release a higher-spec R1M version with additional performance upgrades for TR.